Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to take you through the all-new 2023 G23 Super Air Nautique, one of the highest accredited, most prolific surf boats on the market today. Come on in, we'll take a peek. So there's a lot of things that people talk about on how does a boat create a surf wake. So there's a couple different ways you can do that. One way is to lean the boat, and then the other way is to divert water. On the Nautique, basically what happens is the center plate in the middle slides out here, which delays the water coming by to clean up the opposite side. So what that means for the boater is, or for the surfer, is that you can weight the boat evenly. You don't have to throw a ton of ballast in here, lean the boat one way. So if you're out surfing and you have someone that's riding regular and then someone that's riding goofy, you literally hit the button, switch from side to side. So nice advantage there. You can just fill it up, run the boat the way you want. This boat also comes with an integrated stern thruster. That works automatically with the steering wheel. So gone are the days of being able to back up a surf boat and only go one direction. Now you can back up to the right, back up to the left, back up straight, all integrated with the steering wheel. You don't even have to think about it. You can manually run it too if you want to get off like a dock or something like that. You also have the thruster down, or the surf pipe down here, so all that exhaust is going to come out under the boat so nobody's breathing that in while they're surfing. Come on up and take a look. So first, as you look at the cockpit, just tons of open space in here with arena style seating. You have plenty of room for all sorts of your friends and family. Little seats here in the back, and then you do have a cooler here also that drains out. So insulated cooler there. One of the biggest differences in the Nautique versus really any other brand is all the ballast in this boat is subfloor. So what I mean by that, it's all built into the stringer system, which in turn, when you open up and check out your storage, it's wide open. And both the storage lockers transient to the side seats here. So if you want to get skis, something like that in there, you can do that. So no bags, no tanks back here, all wide open storage. And as you come in, so the way this is designed back here too, so when you open up to your engine bay, everything is sealed off. It has a full water management system. All that water is going to run off. So no water's dripping on the motor, and then everything's sealed too, so a lot quieter. And as you come in, you'll see all the seats are all self-supporting hinges, and again, all storage. So no bags, no tanks. You don't have to remove the seat. You don't have any gas struts to deal with. They hold themselves up, flip them down. Integrated cooler in the floor here too. So this is all built in, carry-on cooler, insulated underneath it. You can use it with the cooler or without it. It does drain down as well. But the big thing on the G series and the Nautiques in general is just the massive amount of storage they have. So storage all the way up, nice big garbage can. You can toss your cans in right through here so nobody has to get up either to get a drink or to toss one out. Same thing up front, wide open. This opens up. You got wide open storage under here as well. And then this is removable so you can have a normal walkthrough. You don't have to have a hard tank or just be stuck with having a day bed up here. So you can have it open, you can have it as a step. This step will come off, or you can flip it over and have a sun pad as well. But with the bull nose up in the front, just tons of space, lots of room. Flip up armrests, and then versus having a jam in, you actually have a pocket door here. So this just slides in and out. When you want to use it, it's there. You don't have to try to find it underneath all your stuff you have stored in the boat. On the helm, really well thought out, well designed, super comfortable seat, nice big armrest, and then all your display is off to the right, so you have a nice clear view when you're looking through and you're pulling surfers. So as you sit down in here, you can see the screen here. Everything runs right from the dial, so you can change to your different screens here. You can quick touch to turn your volume up and down, to get to any profile you want, speed control, back to your home button. Really simple, easy to use. thanks for the time today. Really appreciate showing you the G23. This boat is available here at our Lake Minnetonka shop in Excelsior. Come down and see us. Thank you.